Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our baking unit. And I am Purnima Tripathi from BSc Agriculture 4th year. I am doing my ALP here under the in charge of Hygiene ma'am. So now we will discuss about all the stuff that are present here. So now we are discussing about different products that are making in our baking unit. So we are making different types of bakery items like bread, pizza, burger, buns and muffins, cake, etc. So first one is the instrument is stand maker. In this instrument we need the dough that is required for the bread. So we have to measure the exact quantity that we are needed of raw materials and we directly put here. Then after we switch on this, it having three modes of speed. One is first is slow, then the second is normal, and third is first. It will automatically make the dough. Then after we have to transfer, we have to stretch it and then we have to keep it for cooking. So our second instrument is oven. This is the company of Thermolite. We make all our products in this oven only. It having three modes of action. It runs in both diesel and electricity. We have to fill the diesel tank first. Then we have to open the diesel tank that is placed beside the oven. Then we should switch on the oven and we need to set the temperature according to our product. Like different products having different temperature. So we have for bread making and cakes. So we we need the temperature of 180 degrees. Then it will take 20 minutes to process the product and our final product will be ready. Mixture. So here we only have to put all the ingredients to automatically make the dough.